Welcome back to Living 808. Time now for another edition of Living Akamai. Kei Mukaigawa joins us once again with a special guest to share about title insurance and escrow services.
Patsy Saiki, Hawaii State Manager with First American Title, is here today. Welcome, Patsy.
Thank you, Kay.
You know, Hawaii's an escrow state. This means we need to use a company like yours when transacting real estate. Tell us more about what services your company provides.
First American Title provides title insurance and escrow services. For example, once a home buyer and seller have a signed purchase contract or agreement to sell, we serve as a neutral third party to accept funds and documents to close the sale according to the instructions the buyer and seller agreed to in the purchase contract. Very simply, ultimately, the seller conveys ownership in land and receives sale proceeds from the buyer. The buyer brings in money to purchase and receives title to the property from the seller. As part of the closing, we also provide title insurance. An owner's policy of title insurance is an insurance policy that helps protect the home buyer's property ownership rights from a variety of potential risks.
That's great. So, you know, many of our friends are getting older and they're needing help. They're caring for their parents, and as they start to plan for an adjustment into this new lifestyle, you have any practical experiences that might help our friends and their parents prepare?
Yes, I do. As you said, these days, our friends and their parents are planning to move to smaller living spaces, sometimes with more amenities, and some are thinking about how to pay for the cost of care. As part of that planning, they may consider the possibility that they will need to sell their property or get a loan secured by their property to pay for care. For parents, in all cases, it is important to work with a qualified tax or legal professional to develop your plan. Be sure you clearly understand your plan, including what happens if you become unable to manage your own assets. Update your plan as often as your attorney or CPA recommends. Know where the pertinent documents are stored, and ensure that a trusted person knows where those documents are and can retrieve them should you be unable to retrieve them for yourself. For adult children, if your parents choose to tell you about their plan while they are still capable and tell you that you are the person they select to manage their affairs, please be sure you understand what their intentions are, what you need to do should they be unable to handle their own affairs. Be clear that you are willing and able to do what you are asked, and where to find documents if necessary. Sometimes parents do not want to share their planning documents until necessary, and that is up to them. That way, families can take proactive steps to avoid unexpected expenses and possible delays of having to go to court if and when they need funds to pay for medical or other care.
You know, great advice and an excellent reminder. I know you've got a lot of stories on how taking those steps may have helped families. Can you share a little bit?
Sure. If mom and dad have placed their property into their trust and named a successor trustee to act on their behalf in the case of incapacity or death, but the successor trustee cannot find the trust, going to court may be necessary. Thankfully, disappointment and stress like that can be avoided with proper planning and communication. It is so important.
Absolutely important, and great reminders, so valuable. You know, thank you, Patsy, from First American Title, for being here. If you have any questions regarding the information Patsy shared, or would like to attend one of our upcoming educational events, please give us a call at 808-725-2000. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next Tuesday. Engel and Volkers Honolulu is here to help you live Akamai.
There you go, title tips. Those are awesome. Thank you, Patsy, and to Kay.
Have really great advice. And again, they have really wonderful seminars. So if you're interested in learning more, interested in buying or selling, of course, both of them can help you out with that.
Yeah, and if you need to re-watch that segment, it'll be available on our website, KHON2.com, on the Living 808 tab. about lunchtime today. So there you go.
Perfect.